Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We have got a Fridge 60 rolling out of the shop today. Now, this is going on man James with Pro Sports Catering. And James called me up about a year ago, said, guys, I'm ready to upgrade, and this is what we got them set up with. Now, just right off the bat, guys, obviously this thing's loaded up. It's got a lot of options on it, but the Fridge 60 with the hot box has got a ton of cook room in it, well over the space you would get in a 500-gallon pit, getting close to 1,000. So you got a small footprint with a lot of cook area here, and man, this looks badass. Let's be honest, it looks good, and it doesn't hurt to look good while you're cooking, guys. It draws a crowd. When you pull up somewhere and start cooking on this thing, people are gonna walk over and check it out. So we'll start at the front here now. He did add a 6-gallon Cajun fryer up here. This is a double basket, propane powered fryer here. These work out great. I mean, it just makes sense while you're smoking. Everybody loves fried stuff, guys. Do hush puppies, smoke some chicken wings, throw them in there, crisp them up. So it works great. We love those fryers. Now, it is on our off-road package. And as you can see, we've got a little comparison for y'all. So this is our standard wheel that comes with it, but hey, y'all don't want that. You want the upgraded wheel package here. Now we got a ton of different wheels you can choose from our friends Mods down in Texas. Really make the pit pop. So we love the upgraded wheel package. It does have a 1-inch ball valve grease drain on it. That's standard on every TMG pit smoker. Open up the chamber here. Now, like I said, Fridge 60. So guys, that's 60 inches wide, 24 inches deep. All of our Fridge models have 3 sliding trays in them. Those are full size trays. Now this is a reverse flow smoker, so we got 3 removable reverse flow plates in the bottom. You can pull those up out, makes it easy to clean up the bottom. Now he also added our charcoal pan package, so you get an ash pan that sits down on the bottom and then a charcoal tray that sits on top of that. So that way you can grill in here, you can throw your whole hog up on this middle grate and cook it direct heat style. So that's a pretty simple option to add there that really opens up the capabilities of this pit. Did get our tell-truth thermometers in there as well, as you can see. Made in the USA, of course. Come around to the hot box. So on the Fridge 60, you actually get an extra large hot box, and that's because we make the firebox bigger for the more volume in there. So we also make the hot box bigger. Still have 5 sliding trays in here, but over 2,000 square inches of cook space just in the hot box alone. Still runs the same. It's completely independent from the main chamber, so you can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. You can get direct fire in here. Wood-fired pizzas work great in here. It's a really versatile option there. Probably, maybe our #1 option at TMG is the hot box. Now he also went up to the insulated firebox. So we still got your fire management crate on there. The insulated firebox does make it run a little more efficient. Also keeps temps on the outside down. You got your little girl running around. When she burns into this, she's not gonna have TMG melted into her arm, all right? Now on the back side here, we've got the rear folding shelf. So that's pretty much a must-have option on a Fridge model because it's huge. I mean, it's super heavy duty. Sit down on it, take a break if you want to, prep off of it, serve off of it. Instead of going and grabbing a folding table out of your garage, boom, look at that. You got one on your smoker, ready to go. It just makes sense. Some stuff makes sense. A rear shelf makes sense on the Fridge.
Hey, Hayes, what's that do?
Oh, this right here? Okay, so you open this up. Say you want to run your warmer a little cooler and actually use it as a warmer, all right? That actually draws in cool air to cool this down, because normally this is going to run about the same temp as the smoke chamber. So you want to get that down, let's say 180, open this bad boy up, draw in a little cool air with it, and it's going to cool it down for you. Guys, that is James Cross Fridge 60 rolling out of the shop. Heck of a build here. We sure did enjoy building it. All right, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.